Hey guys, my name is Jonas and I'm the GermanCarDude. In today's video, I'm gonna drive my 2018 BMW 440i Convertible with the roof down on this beautiful spring day. Own a cool car you want me to drive and make a video about? If so, then please mail me at info@germancardude.com. For more videos and cool cars, please like, comment and of course subscribe. So let's get right into it then. First, let's do a cold start. Just so you know, this BMW does a cold start every time it starts, not only when it's actually cold. This is standard in every 440i. The wind noise that you can hear was way louder for me. The GoPro has a really good wind noise reduction system, it seems. I am also on Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. My name is GermanCarDude YT. Now let's go to this really nice twisty road. It is perfect for accelerations. It is not often that you can actually drop the roof in April, but thanks to this really awesome weather, it was finally possible. the roof being down, you can clearly hear the loud and instantaneous shifts of this awesome ZF gearbox. Every gear shift kicks you back into your seat quite a lot, but due to the insanely good stabilization in the GoPro, that can't be seen here. So this is it then. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool cars and also a lot of YouTube shorts.